Hello friends, so today we are going to see how to make eye-catching professional thumbnail using two free softwares. So let's get started. So first we will be seeing how to make an eye-catching thumbnail using Canva absolutely free. So let us start. Type YouTube thumbnail. Right, so there are many free templates which you may use if you want to, but I would like to show you from the scratch. So I'm going to take a blank template, and now I usually prefer to take a gradient. Now for a background, you can either type background in elements. Right now here you will get different types of background. If you want to use any of these, you can use it. And there is another option which I prefer to use is by typing gradient background. So I'm going to choose this one because this is kind of Canva color itself. So I'm going to right click and set the image as background. So my background is ready. Now next is to bring some subject into it. So what I'll do is I will go to upload, and I can take any picture of mine from this upload media section. Maybe this one. Okay, so that will upload here. But the problem is, if I want to take it and remove the background, this option Canva gives only for the pro users, which you can get from edit image. But as I promised that it's going to be absolutely free, so I will not do this, but I will get it done by another software which comes absolutely free and does this work flawlessly. That is Remove BG software, where I'll go to this upload image option. I will take the same image from here, open. It has removed the background. Now I need to download it. Well, when I be using the free version of it, the download image will be little downgraded, which will be 500 into 500 pixel. But if you can take the paid version, again it will get a high resolution image. But for the purpose of using it on thumbnail, I feel that this also works pretty good. So it is quite satisfactory. I'll be downloading the same, and once downloaded, I will head over to my Canva upload button, and I'll just drag it and drop it right here. That's all. Now the image will come here. Now I've got this image, so I need to delete this, and I need to take it here. I'll have to make it little larger. First of all, I don't like this straight line here. So what I do is I click here, flip option, and flip horizontal. Now this line is not there anymore, and my clean picture is right here. Now I want some background blur effect which should be around this. So I want that. I love that. First you need to duplicate it, bring it here, take this. Now go to edit image option. You will get this duotone option. This I very often use, so it is coming on the top. Otherwise you'll have to check from here. It should be somewhere down here, right? So I will go to this duotone option. I will take this pomelo effect. I love this and I very often use it. I will go to apply, again edit image. I will go and I will check the brightness. If I want it brighter, I'll check the contrast. I make it little more brighter, and then I will go to see all and make it little blur, and then I will place this image on top, making it little smaller so that this shadow effect, glow effect comes around my figure. Now next is I'll go to text, and I will take one strong text from here. Now I will again shift control, and I will just go here and duplicate, make it black, this one black as well, Now I'll just put it here and I will shift my right left arrow. For free, I will make it smaller, drag like this, and so eye-catching thumbnail for free. It's well aligned and well eye-catching, and I'm done with Canva. Next, I'm going to show you how you can make similar kind of thumbnail even in an easier way from another software named Postermywall.
So I hope you liked my video so far. Canva is one software which I very often use. So I have made many such tutorials which you'll be getting on the top right hand side info I button. You explore the playlist on Canva effects, Canva for beginners, and you will also get a couple of video links in the description box below. So don't forget to check them out after watching this video. So let's head over to my next tutorial where I'll be using my second best tool to make YouTube thumbnails. Let's go.
I'm right on my Postermywall dashboard. Now I'm going to write here thumbnail same way, YouTube thumbnail. To select it. Right, there are many thumbnails I can choose from, and here let me see if I can use this one, customize template. Right, so I'm going to get my photo uploaded, so I'll go here, add from my photos, upload photo. I'll go to my respective folder and open. So I got my photo, same photo I'm going to use. I'll drag it here. Then I will come to position and I will flip horizontally, same way as I did for Canva. Make it a little smaller. Okay, so now what I'll do is, now as I told you, I will be adding some shadow or glow. So I'll go to this glow. I will take strong glow and I will add a color around this, maybe green. So I'm okay with my photo. I have got a beautiful glow as well. Now I will change this text. I'll go to text, add fancy text. Here also I'll take another font for writing for free. So this is how my entire thumbnail looks like. I have changed the fonts. I've taken fonts and I have highlighted this. So this is how you can make your thumbnail. It is quite attractive, I feel, and if after making your thumbnail, getting your thumbnail ready, you can go to download and you can directly publish as well as you can download if you feel like. Now if you're using the free version, then it will be the basic image, but I think it is okay if you aren't even having a basic image for free, and you can simply download from here or else directly publish also.
So thank you so much for being with me here. I hope you liked the tutorial. If it has added value to you, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription, it does not cost you anything, guys, but it means the world to me. It makes me thrive every single day to make my next tutorials more effective, more value adding for you all. In my upcoming videos, I'm coming up with a series of tutorials for absolute beginners from Adobe Photoshop as well as Adobe Premiere Pro. So all you need to do is go to the bell button next to subscription button and press it and select all notifications so that you keep getting a notification whenever I upload my upcoming videos. So thank you so very much today. Till here, I'll come back with some stunning video next week. Till then, stay safe.